So anyway, we're recording right now, and we got a problem. We got a sprinkler up there, and it's watering our power cords. I'm nervous to even go over there. There's the power cord right there, soaked in water. I'm gonna turn it off because it's on the cord.
Hurry up!
Greg, you're not going to have all that up there. And besides that, you're making a mess.
Not only that, the power cord is wet. I got full battery. It opened.
Deposit.